I never had a job in my mind that I would be doing some job, but I think I'd be doing a job to serve our country, to be as a politician, because the economical power. There are so many different things. The government is corrupted and they are eating a lot of money. So I wanted to improve it, and there are so many rights which are for the people, but the government doesn't wanted the people to know it, and they just wanted to get much more and more money from the tax. So I wanted to improve.
So, according to my personal opinion, dogs are better than cats because they are more sweet and but cats are not cats are not good as compared to the dogs because dogs are everywhere. Dogs are in every situation loyal and is always honest to the owner, and he never does the work like the cats do. Like cat scratches the pillows of sofas, and I have also a dog, but now he doesn't know his world because he is died before 1 year ago, and his name is Rocky, and he was my favorite because he do so much cute things that anyone would have loved him because his face is too good, and his breed is Labra, and he was of 2 years when he was died, and
Yes, I am telling about why I am learning English. I am learning English because it is very interesting to spoken in English language. So whenever I saw the people are spoken in English language, so my mind and heart is also say me you can also do that. So that's why I'm taking my English speaking classes. My friends are also spoken in English. So whenever whenever I meet my friends and they were talking they were talking in English, so it is very embarrassing for me because I'm very hesitating. I'm very hesitant. I'm very little.
So what is what is my dream job, and how can we prepare for it? So my dream job is I want to become an army officer, and now the biggest challenge for me that I want to clear uh, NDA preparation, and along with my class 12th is going on, so I also have to prepare for it, because there is so much pressure for me, because I have to did focus on my school studies, and also along with the UPSC preparation. So I think I have to create a timetable, and why I want to join army, uh, the because the style and the passion of the Indian soldier is looking very good, and I like to serve for my nation.
I Yeah, so I don't really think that the reality shows are so real. For example, those that Big Boss or the Roadies, they come in the category of reality shows because they are supposed to give you challenges on, like they are supposed to give you challenges live. But what actually happens that the people in the competition, they just in the roadies, they speak out the given scripts. Even a person revealed that yeah, he was given a script on Facebook. I don't really remember which contestant does that, did that. I don't remember that, but I guess after that I know that all those roadies and all those participants in the roadies are given a script and they say their words according to it. Now for the big boss, they just they fight with each.
So I'm clearly a dog person. I really like dogs, and they're so cute. And because of their loyalty, it looks like they are brave and they are very loyal to their owner. But I really doesn't like a cat because of their eyes, their color of their eyes. and their big eyes. It seems to be like they are greedy. They just want the meal and nothing else than that. But the dogs are so playful and they always take care of the owner. Whenever he's in need, something happens to his owner, so he helps his owners, but not like cat. It seems to be she is greedy. That's why I'm a dog person. And I really I
So I like that motivative movies because you know that motivative movie always motivate to me, and I like a comedy movie because I saw the comedy movie that time I very laugh. So life, you know that laugh is very better than the body. So doctor also say always laugh. So that's why I like comedy movie and also a motivative movie. In comedy movie, I like my favorite hero like Govinda. He was very comedian person that he was make a movie like comedian. So that time I was very happy and enjoyable, and sometime I will very tense.
so I so
Yes, Priya. This week is Facebook is a very very good for us because it is help us to make a new friends and it can give an opportunity to knew the knew the know the other person in the country whenever we show in the Facebook post other countries peoples are there and we are Facebook are help us to connect it with us out and it is very is
Basically, I have basically I have a nuclear family, and there are 4 members in my family. Sorry, 3 members in my family. Me, and my mother and father, and my grandfather is not here, not in this world, because and my grandmother comes sometimes 1 month in a year because she stays mostly in my maternal uncle's house and th- and then I was having a pet too, but now he is not there, and now cricket is no more, and now I have now I'm doing parties like nowadays, but when this corona has done the lockdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we are having lockdown. I'm not going everywhere, and I am getting bored in my home, and so that I was so and I'm learning English classes. Now I am learning into, and in the morning I learn my learn learn my syllabus, and then I take online classes, and then I watch movies, so that my mind get refreshed, and then
So now today, so many people invest in stock market, but some of people have a fear that is our money will go wrong if we will promote any company or will and if we will invest in that company. So I think it is some of people also say that it is a gambling, like some of people invest in stock market, but I don't think so that because it is depend upon the condition of market and the demand and supply of uh, every product that which is increasing and not. So I don't think that it is a gambling. It is just depend upon the prediction of a condition of market.
That's it. आप बोलिए साबरी. Sabri.
Okay, so I think that science will help the humanity grow more because I mean, I said that art will help the humanity grow more because with the science, I guess there will be more and more of technology and people will just, stop doing their work and I don't think that they will even go out for doing their work and they will end up, being in their houses, just like, trapped in the cages. It will be just like that. Well, at least with the art, they will be more creative. With the art, they will get some, while creating arts, people get kind of, more kind and like kind in a sweet way. And they will, I guess, they will even reach out to help others. I think so. That's why I think that art will be more helpful.
Bhavya. Bhavya.
I am learning English because nowadays I am getting free and English is the need of every person in today's life. Without English, it is not possible to go abroad, and so that I am learning English, and I have so much free time, so I decided to learn it. And after coming from the English classes, I learn my lessons, and I practice it very much. I practice very much, and I do too much hard work so that I learn English I learn English faster as compared to other people's, and that's why I'm learning English.
Deepak. Deepak.
I want to I want to traveling to Kedarnath. I want to traveling to Kedarnath because people are saying there is a heaven. So so whenever I am planned before 2 years. Whenever I whenever I planned it, so something it happened that time. So I may cancel my plan. I may cancel my plan, and now me and my friends are planning to going to Kedarnath in July. So we are also now we are seeing in July how to go to Kedarnath because there was some issues. Now it is COVID issues. So I think that that time also I'm not going to the Kedarnath. Mhm. Mhm.
Yes, आप बोलिए next Anshika. Anshika.
So, in my opinion, reality shows are not real because there are so many dramas in that reality shows. You can see, like if a person belongs to a poor family, then they will ask, "What your father do?" Why don't they ask from different people, or why don't they ask from pe- uh, the the people who come from a rich background or come from a middle class family, even a middle class family? They only ask their problem and then they cry. But in real life, they are not like this. They just ignore beggars. If they'll ask for some money, they will not give them. They will just ignore them, and they will make a disgusted face. But when they come in reality shows, then they cry and they make a lot of mess. Most of the time in reality shows had been given to those dramas done by the judges and by sometimes by contestants even. So in my opinion, reality shows are really fake.
That's it.